come to Babylon Park with us. This is the main entrance. As soon as you get there, this is what you see. This is the area where you pay and get your wristband. So you pay a fee, you get a wristband to activate each ride, and it takes the tokens off as you go. We stayed in there for about an hour or maybe an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, because we were in there for a while. So this is the main area, and they have a soft play area over there for the babies. I don't get the obsession with the aliens, but it's not my business. So on this floor, you have the baby game them, like look at something, and then you have like a cafeteria area that you can get something to eat or something to drink, and you don't have to leave the play area. So then, they also have a bag and coat holding area if you want to leave your stuff and just be free. Now this is just one part of the main area that you're seeing here downstairs. This is just one part. Like it's there's quite a lot to do down there. There's even a roller coaster down there, but we're go down and we're gonna look what going down there. Anyways, the vibe was nice. They're playing music. This is the first one we did just to check out our wristbands to make sure they work. So Jamari was doing his thing over here, and then my cousin and my husband was over there playing the basketball something. So then my husband and my cousin decided that they are gonna go on a roller coaster, my guy. But you don't know I'm a videographer, so I'm not go up there. I'm just gonna record the moments for everyone, and yeah. So they went on this. It doesn't look that bad, but you see that corner there right there, so listen to me now. So they're off now. I mean, if I hold the baby, because the baby's like, what is happening here? Why is that moving? He's like, a roller coaster. So if I hold him, because he might try to run it down. But watch the corner with me I talk about. Watch the corner, watch the corner, watch the corner. Watch it now. Gone. He just fling them off. But otherwise, it's a calm like a roller coaster, but the corner there, man, the corner there. Anyways, they went around about 5 times. I can't actually remember, but I think they went around about 5 times. Me, my dear, I stays on the ground. Anywho, after them a boots up themselves, but nothing wrong with it and whatever. Hear them now when they come off. Hear them when they come off now, no?
I'm not doing nothing again.
I was wrong when I said you could handle that.
Then my cousin went to do this VR something, but we don't do it, you know. But then I could bring myself and put this something whatever everybody face over my face. We couldn't do it. No, my love, not for me. But she enjoyed it, so yeah. Then as a top girl, never a flop girl, I'm gonna do this. I'm moving to sweetie.
No way.
Yeah! That's how you do it!
Then no matter how they try for them ball, yeah, they could have never get it through because they make the grabber something loose. So by the time you move off the ball drop, look at them teeth, you see? You can't win them. So Jeremiah do the wristband something. Yeah.
No making report, you know? It's fine. You can do that one.
Then watch the roller coaster run over our head, and we just stand there comfortable, like trust it, not gonna drop away. Lord have mercy. But we had a good time though. It was a great time in there, and I recommend it. It's a bit pricey, but you know, we find ways and ways around things. But yeah, it's a good experience to have. So we had a great day, and they went up into this something, but you don't know, as a videographer, as the old bag lady, yes, me stay a girl and watch them do them thing and enjoy that. Them go up and them go down, and them go up and them go down, and then me I run down Jamari in the meantime. So this was the last ride for the day, and after this then we left and got something to eat out on the road. This was good to watch because them just a lick up so Right, so this is in Camden Town, and it's kind of a artsy kind of vibe, like you know, graffiti, all of the little tattoo piercings, like if you want to get like the motorcycle boots kind of stuff, like them kind of like heavy look. See there? Oh, so yeah, like them. I don't know. It's artsy, yeah. Then we went to this place to eat, and they have quite a number of shops in there. You see that one in number 52. Yeah, so right around, I'm gonna show you. As I go around, it's all shops, like it's all food places. There's a place upstairs as well. Like we tried to get something to eat. This it did nice, but it wants a seasoning, man. It could have eaten, but it did want look something. This was nice. My cousin got the pulled pork with something. I don't know what that. but it was good. That was good. But this is something I want me get. No, my love, that could have stay. No seasoning, nothing. Made have to go to one of the other shop them. Go ask them for little sauce, and the man give me the sauce. So there's a bar over there for, I guess, for the nightlife part of it, because most of the food shops were closed, but the bar was still open. So I guess if you come for like a little vibes in the evening there, you would get a nice little lounge-ish, barish vibe over there. But yeah, we just had our meal and then we left. I'm just showing you what the night looked like, and then yeah. And then down at the very bottom, they were selling like souvenirs and clothes and everything there. But most of that was closed by the time we were coming around. And then we had them look at people here out, vendors out on the road selling paintings and them this and them that. One look Caribbean area, so that's the wristband. I don't know why I feel like when in the chip, them could have tracked me, so I just left it on the train. They want to get home. He did not like the noise on the train, and he just covered his ears because he couldn't take the noise. But yeah, it was a great day. If you're ever in London, you should check it out. You can still get it. Bye. See you in the next one.